think that's how you know the church is really built on true principles.
Yeah,
God's
exactly.
backing it up.
There's the fire alarm panel in here. The control panel. They control the system with that.
I see.
See, it's got all the buttons and stuff.
Yep.
And when it goes into alarm, that will flash.
Does the fireman have the key or just the building?
The building, whoever controls that. But I mean, if it's pulled,
Yeah.
the firemen will have to come and control it because they're, you know. And that's the alarm company, one of the alarms that supplies the product.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so pretty cool to know.
Yeah, for sure.
And the buttons actually work here.
Yeah, I know, right?
Those alarms there were at my high school.
Are those the loud ones? Really loud ones?
They're loud, but they're not like... They're loud, but they're not ear-piercing. Although if you're right by them, then you would really... There she is. Kind of small, but...
Some broken tires.
She worked... Oh. No one repairs anything anymore. Oh, it's an Otis model.
I'm surprised there's actually tiles.
It's an Otis model. I didn't know that.
Are they good?
Yeah. Quite. You push the button. Ooh, that towel's rough. That tile. Yeah.
But it's holding together.
Yeah. We can just go out to the car. It's not that cold.
Okay.
And plus, I can't push with this thing, right?
Right. And you don't want to have that problem with the door.
Oh, don't close.
They have all these meeting rooms here.
Yeah.
As you can.
They had something in one of the rooms when we came. They had something going on.
Yeah. Sorry, let's put your jacket.
It's crazy. Just so warm. Here's part of the fire alarms at the church here. Simplex. Simplex. Simplex trailer, here it is.